So, as you can see, we got new rail on this side too. We are just way down there. And it is, they did another cold patch. It is just right down the center. Yeah, cold patch. And then that is where they did not do the most. They laid it on the side. Not sure really why. It's a huge bend. And that is where they laid one side and put another one. And then you can see there is another green tie and another green tie. And you can see all up and down the line, there are ties that are painted with green on them. That indicates they are going to, wow. So that was right, look at that right there. That was 9/20/23. And yeah, that one is in need of replacing. You can see that one, and all up and down the line are going to need replacing.